Ever walk into a store, get to the checkout, and breeze through in a couple of minutes, leaving you wondering where the long lines of yesteryear went? It's not magic, although it might feel that way after waiting in line for ages. It's technology, specifically a system called an EPOS or electronic point of sale. But what exactly is an EPOS, and why are businesses switching to them in droves? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of EPOS and exploring why it's revolutionizing the way we shop and the way businesses operate. From cash registers to clever systems, let's rewind a bit. Remember the clunky cash registers of the past? The ones that required manual entry, limited reporting, and frankly weren't exactly user-friendly? An EPOS is essentially the cool, tech-savvy upgrade to that old system. Imagine a cash register on steroids, connected to a computer and loaded with features that make running a business and checking out a breeze. The power of EPOS. A multitude of benefits. So why are businesses so excited about EPOS? Well, the reasons are plentiful, but let's break down some of the biggest advantages. Speed demons at checkout. EPOS systems are lightning fast. They scan barcodes with ease, process payments in seconds, and eliminate the need for manual calculations. This translates to shorter lines for you and happier customers. Inventory management made easy. Gone are the days of scrambling to figure out how much stock you have left. EPOS tracks inventory in real time, alerting you when you're running low and preventing those dreaded stockouts. Data, glorious data. EPOS systems are data powerhouses. They track sales figures, customer trends, product performance. Basically, everything you need to understand your business better. This data allows you to make informed decisions, optimize your offerings, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Customer loyalty on autopilot. Many EPOS systems integrate with loyalty programs, allowing you to reward your best customers and keep them coming back for more. Cloud power. Modern EPOS systems are often cloud-based, meaning you can access your data and manage your business from anywhere, anytime. This flexibility is a game changer for busy business owners. Happy staff, happy customers. EPOS systems streamline operations, making tasks easier for your staff. This translates to a more efficient and enjoyable work experience, which ultimately leads to better customer service. Finding the perfect EPOS for your business. With so many EPOS options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. But fear not. Consider your business size, needs, and budget. Do some research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to ask for demos. The perfect EPOS is out there, waiting to transform your business. EPOS. A win-win for everyone. So, the next time you breeze through a checkout line, remember the silent hero behind the scenes. The EPOS system. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Businesses get a powerful tool to streamline operations and gain valuable insights, while customers enjoy a faster and more convenient shopping experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.